Are you wondering what the most important drum rudiment is to practice? Well, today we're going to talk about the number one absolutely essential drum rudiment that you must master if you're going to improve on the drums. If you're new to Brad Allen Drums, I'm a former U.S. Army drummer and now play professionally in the Kansas City area. I'm also a private teacher who's helped many students to master the art of drumming, including my student Matthew Lam, who won a fastest hands drumming competition 2 years in a row. Okay, so before I tell you the number one drum rudiment you must master, let me say that all of the drum rudiments improve your speed, control, and technique on the instrument. And by the way, if you are looking to get your chops together, I'd really like to help you with that. I've got 10 of my best exercises for speed that I'd like to send you absolutely free. And these are the same type of exercises that helped my student Matthew Lam win those fastest hands drumming competitions. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below to get a free copy. So if all the rudiments are effective, why focus on just one? Simple. There is one rudiment that is the foundation for basically everything that we play on the drums, and that rudiment is the double stroke roll. This rudiment is basic to many of the others. When we talk about the 5-stroke roll, the 7-stroke roll, etc., those are basically just different lengths of double stroke rolls. Double strokes are also used in many of the other rudiments, including Swiss triplets, drags, paradiddles, etc. So the better you get at playing double stroke rolls, the better and the easier you're going to be able to play all those other rudiments. It's also used a lot on the drum set, and that's not true of all the other rudiments. Some of those are used occasionally on the drum set and some hardly at all. So because this rudiment is fundamental to so many other rudiments, and because it's used so much on the drum set, it's the most important and the most effective rudiment for you to practice. Again, as I mentioned earlier, I have 10 exercises for speed that will also really help your chops that I'd like to send you absolutely free. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below. Also, please comment below and tell me if you agree that the double stroke roll is the most essential rudiment, or if there's another rudiment that you think is even more important, and tell me why. Or if you'd just like to comment helpful, that would also be really awesome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for new drum videos every week. Thank you for watching, and I have a whole playlist on stick control that'll also really help you with your chops. Please watch some of those next, and we'll see you next time.